Welcome to South OC Cars and Coffee. Brought my S2000 today. Let's go see what cars we can find. This white Lotus Elise had some of the most extreme fender flares I've seen on one of these vehicles. Very striking in person.
Yes.
Here we have the Lamborghini Aventador SV in Verde Ithaca. Looks perfect. My favorite Lamborghini color. The want is real with this one. I love this 1970 Dodge Challenger RT in the beautiful, plum, crazy color. Just excellent. Like the real car, like that color. The C2 Corvette convertible was painted in this dark blue color that had the deepest shine. It was awesome. Loved it. Ferrari 488 GTB. In other words, successor to the Italia. Looks very nice in red. Awesome. Love the curves on this car. The inlets. The way the tail lamps come around. Very, very nice. Looks great. Awesome car. Love this 911 Carrera 997. Stance is perfect. It's lowered, has the perfect factory rims. This Audi R8 was simply stunning in this matte gray color. His license plate No Life is perfect. Love the green on the AMG GTR. This 911 GT3 RS has a stunning color combination.
Put this.
Very nice. Sebring Silver Honda S2000. Looks like it's track prepped. Awesome. 996. Rocket Bunny FRS. Very nice Lotus Elise in saffron yellow. NSX in Grand Prix white. NA1 looks excellent. Thank you for watching the StickShiftStudios South OC Cars and Coffee video from January 13th, 2018. Please like and subscribe to my channel and watch my other car videos. Have a great day.